It's not been stirred. I'm trying to think of how long. This has been, like I say, 4 months sitting. Well, good afternoon. It is Friday, March 22nd. It has been about 4 months since we stopped using the compost barrels, putting new vegetables in, new scraps. They've been sitting for, like I say, 4 months. It's been through the winter. I don't know how well, because there's not a lot of volume here, like a big compost heap, it would keep heat and keep breaking down. So we're going to take a look. I did add one thing. I put some wood ash in here, but that's all I've added since we did the last video. So we need the space for getting ready for more gardening, and our third barrel, which we're currently using, is over there. So it's about full. So let's dump this. If I can get it dumped uphill. Let's do this another way. All right. So little edit. It's these I think are 32-gallon cans. Let's see. The labels are gone. Here's one. 32-gallon. This is about all I can handle by myself. So I see a lot of worms down in there. There we go. So we're going to leave this here. We've got this rotted horse manure with wood shavings. I'm going to turn it down here. We'll get both of them out. Don't believe they're ready to be used yet. There's a little more liquid in them than I thought, and we've had lids on them. One more time with the lifting. You know what? I'm going to get a rake, make this easier, and rake some of that out. Again, I see a lot of, here's a big clump. I don't know if you can see these worms in my hand, but there's a big clump of worms, which is a fantastic sign. If I seem a little tired today, Kelly and I have a very busy Thursday. We get up at 4:30 in the morning. We drive 90 miles into the office and work 8 hours. She helps. She's part-time. I'm full-time. So she'll help me in them as soon as we get there. And again, right before we leave. And then we're 90 miles back home. So it's a 12, 13-hour day. So if I seem a little tired, I am. I'll admit it. So this is way wetter than I thought. And of course, it's not been stirred. I'm trying to think of how long. This has been, like I say, 4 months sitting when we first started this. A lot of worms. But, I mean, look at all those worms there. So it's breaking down. It's just not really quick. But we'll cut back to the main video now, which is good. But there's a lot of ways to make compost. This is great for us. Like I said, I'm going to stir it from here. I may get a tarp to cover it to keep the rain off, but we'll mix it in, and it's very convenient using these barrels. Just come in, dump it, put the lid back on, and go about your business. So we like that. But like I say, it's not broken down enough that I'll use it in the next month or two, but I feel like we'll get there. Like I say, we knew this process was going to be slow, but that's okay. We just thought we'd show you the results. We show you the good and bad. The eggshells have not broken down, but I'm sure the chicken manure will help break this down pretty quick. I may clean out the coop again and put it in here to see if I can get this pile started and hot. But that's it. Thanks for tuning in. Sorry if it's I'm a little tired, but I am a little tired, but that's okay. We'll keep going. We are going to these little stakes behind me. We're going to expand our garden to at least the same size as the hoop house. We got the potatoes going over there. So yeah, it's our third spring here. So we're getting a little bigger, which is nice. Thanks for tuning in. If you like this content, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. We'd love to have you. We appreciate all you that are our current subscribers. Y'all are great. Bye.